Hayden.
Hi, I'm Melody.
And we are the
Diz Kids.
And today is the start of a brand new series called
Diz Kids Go Stir Crazy.
So Mel, what are we going to be doing today?
So we're going to do the classic Diet Coke and Mentos experiment. But first we're going to use it with the can, and then we're going to use it with the 2 liter.
Okay, so let's see how they work out.
So now we're going to try it again.
Oh yeah!
That's good. Please explode in your face.
Seems like a big waste of a soft drink.
I don't think it's wasted.
Hi guys, we're back with the Diz Kids, and as you saw, last time was kind of a failed attempt. So, Melody, what are you going to be doing this time?
So we're going to be trying it with the 2 liter bottle instead, and we're going to be dropping the mint into the Coca-Cola Zero.
Okay, so let's get on with it. Okay, Mel, you ready for this? Oh! Yeah! That was amazing!
Okay guys, we're back, and the first attempt was pretty awesome. And now that 3 Mentos didn't get out from the 6, so now we're doing 9.
Okay. This is gonna be fun. Last attempt was amazing. Now, I'm gonna explain how that works with the Mentos and Diet Coke. So, how it worked is, the Mentos, it has little craters and bumps in it, and when you drop it into the carbon dioxide with the Diet Coke, a whole bunch of gas bubbles come up, and then it bursts, and that makes the big explosion. Tell what else helps it.
It helps because of the funnel shape of the 2 liter bottle, so it gets more of a boost up.
So now we're gonna rate the experiment from an F to an A, and it's probably not gonna be an F. But I'm just gonna say one thing before it, that did taste good with the Mentos in it. But Melody, what was your grade?
My grade's an A+. It was so fun, and we had a lot of fun of putting in my Mentos and then just exploding.
I give it an A++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++++ Yeah, and my parents give it an A+. They thought it was amazing, and they loved watching us do it. So, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll post some more videos soon for you guys. See you guys next time on the
Diz Kids, go stir crazy.